And of course, this is the first day of February, the start of Black History Month. Very appropriate to be making that commemoration.
That's right.
And February also coming in very cold for us as well, Grant.
Yeah, I was laughing because I was just like, unbelievable. 2 weekends in a row. We had sleet and some snow mixed in with some rain, freezing rain as well. This weekend, tons of snow across the entire state of North Carolina. I've loved seeing all the reported photos and stuff like that. We got them from pets, from families, from snowmen. I mean, it's just unbelievable. We love seeing them. Keep sending them in. We've got, I mean, I can't remember how many we were talking about today that we've seen. I mean, thousands probably.
Especially on a snow day like this, everybody's got something in their backyard that is worth seeing. And it's been great. Including this pup here out of Kenley. Alicia sent this in. Love to see the pup photos, even the cat photos looking out the window. I know the cats don't enjoy it as much to get into that snow, but we love seeing all your pet photos. He seems to be enjoying it, I think. And then Lisa out of Emerald Isle at the coastline sending in the snow photos. They had tons of snow at the coastline, well over 12 inches of snow for lots of spots. So pretty incredible to see that. And then the Barefoot family and all the friends too getting together and making this huge snowman. I think this was approaching 9 feet tall. So pretty incredible to see that out of Dunn, North Carolina. So now we're after the storm, and now we're experiencing very frigid temperatures still. And we have all that snow and moisture left over. So we're going to still see slick spots and some snow covered roads all the way through tomorrow. So please use extreme caution if you have to be out. If you don't have to be, just stay inside. It's really cold anyway, so you probably don't want to be out and about. That's why the WRAL Weather Alert Day continues. We have 2 different alerts in place. One's the winter weather advisory for those slick spots that covers the entire area through 10 a.m. tomorrow. This one goes through 9 a.m. Monday. It's the cold weather advisory. That's for wind chills in the single digits. There are extreme cold warnings at the coastline for wind chills approaching 0. So it's just very cold across the state. Futurecast wind chill shows by 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. We're in the single digits across the entire area. Some good news is in sight, though. We are in the teens tomorrow morning. We'll have tons of sunshine throughout the day once again, and highs reach to around 40. You saw how much melting we had today. We were able to get some spots to melt. There are still plenty of slick spots out there, so that's why I've mentioned to stay, be very careful out there. But by the afternoon tomorrow, we reach to 40s. That's going to be a big help for us. It will be cold again overnight Monday into Tuesday morning, so some less traveled areas, maybe some areas in the shade will still be iced over into Tuesday morning, but more improvements, especially by Tuesday afternoon and into Wednesday. We'll see those improvements because we warm up a bit ahead of our next weather maker. This front approaches into Tuesday. We could have some isolated showers late Tuesday into Wednesday. Again, isolated rain showers, so not another repeat. And drier and cold to end the week behind that. We shouldn't really see any big precip chances through next weekend. So the cold mornings, the main thing we're going to watch out for. Teens tomorrow, Tuesday at the 20s, a little bit warmer on Wednesday, but then back to the 20s for the end of this week. Again, the WRAL Weather Alert Day continues through tomorrow because of the very cold temperatures and the dangerous wind chills, plus the slick roads, but in the 40s for our highs. Tuesday, Wednesday, upper 40s on Friday. It's going to be nice to get close to 50 degrees on Friday after how frigid it's been over the past week or so. Ooh, that is going to feel like summer, Grant.
I know.
Thank you very much.